A heartily welcome to all. Now I am going to explain about evolution of network. First of all, what is network? A network is a worldwide thing used by all peoples, even in their hands itself. And the network is a very popular thing among the people till now. The network has started its path in 1969 and it is called as ARPANET, used in computers alone. And in 1918 it is called as NSFNet and it is used by some peoples in the country alone. And in 1990 it is called as Internet and used by all peoples among the world. It created a very big impact on humans and it is started by like human has developed small robots to big robots and intelligent robots has developed. So likewise internet has started its path from computer to all peoples to now itself it is used in hands itself. So it is the impact of internet. It started its stages from 1G and it is developed to 2G and it came to 3G and now it is using in 4G and the future will come in 5G. Next, the evolution of network. What is evolution? 1G network has given 0 data and 2GB has given 40 kilobytes per second and 3GB will give 21.6 kilobytes per second and 4G will give 1 gigabytes per second and 5G will give 20 gigabytes per second. The evolution of network. 1G started in 1980, 2G started in 1990, 3G started in 2003 and 4G started in 2009 and 5G started in 2020 and it will develop in future only. Next, what are the impacts? It created a very big impact on social medias like Google, WhatsApp, Facebook and all were developed using the help of internet and the evolution of network only. Without evolution of network, the social medias will not be developed still now. So the social medias has developed using the help of internet only. So the internet has become so popular. We can send or receive any message through any people or any country within the same thing with less time and less money. So the money has saved and the time has saved. So people has taken the internet very popular to become. The next thing is it is used in PC. Computers has used network to build in uh, their knowledge increased. So people has used their computers in very big knowledge. So they have used the internet also in computers to download or to take anything in the internet. Next, the 2G has started. The 2G has very speed than 1G. So the people has to taken 2G. And 2G when 3G came, 2G has low speed and 3G has high speed. When 4G has came, 3G has low speed and 4G became very high speed. In future, the 5G will become very speed than 4G. The 1G network has very 2.4 kilobytes per second, 2G has 64 and 3G has 2000 and 4G has 1 lakh. So the G network evolution has become very popular. So the people has using G networks as 2G and 4G. Now it is popular 3G and 4G alone. Now the 1979 used 1G, 1991 2G, 1998 3G, 2008 4G and 2009 5G, but it now not in use because it will come in future only. And the 2G network has became 2G network was beaten by 3G network. Yeah, and the 3G network has beaten by 4G network. All are expecting that 5G network will beat 4G network within future and the future will be very high speed network is used. This is the evolution of network. The future network is the 5G and it will become more popular among the people and the people will use the 5G network to become very popular among them. This is my video. Thanks for watching.